Okay, guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, we are going to talk about add-on. It's called Color Theme. Okay, this is a partner-only add-on. So first of all, if you go to partner settings, go to custom add-on, you will find this color theme add-on in here. Okay, there is a one-time payment. After you purchase the add-on, you can see the settings over here. And please make sure you save all the changes you have made and apply the settings and then activate this add-on. Okay, and then I would suggest to you to use an incognito window browser, log in your custom domain, and refresh the page to see all the changes. Okay, and now let's go into the settings. So you can see the settings in here that we have, colors. So you can change the colors of dashboard, navigation bar, sidebar, button, and the text. Okay. So for the dashboard, you can change the background, card font. Okay. And for the navigation bar, you can change the background, the text. You can change the drop-down background. For example, this workspace drop-down, this user profile drop-down, you can change the background and also the active atom background and the task. Okay, for the whole background and atom, you can also have this kind of customization. And also in the navigation bar, there is also a notification. Okay, we have a few settings for the navigations in here. Okay. Now, if you go back to the sidebar, you can change the background font, active atom background font icons, and for the all boards, it have the submenus, right? So you can change the submenus background and active submenu items. Okay, you can also change the pro badge background and the text. And for the buttons, for example, like this view billing buttons, you can change the background and the font. Okay, and this is the settings for the text. You can change the font. This is the content. Okay, so for example, this navigation bar, we have the settings like you can hide the your custom logo. You can change the paddings to the left. You can change the paddings to the right. Also, the drop down, you can have different whites. Okay, and you can change also the atom border radius and the notification number. Okay, you can show the number, you can also hide the number, and you can see in the navigation user profile drop down. Okay, we have three links as well. Quick tour, documentations, communities. So if you do not need those links, you can also hide them all. Okay, at the dashboard there are three. Those are three cards as well. These three cards at the dashboard is managed by different add-on. Okay, that is a dashboard page add-on. You can control, hide, change the images, thumbnails, descriptions, titles in that dashboard page add-on. Yes, so this is a navigation bar, and this is the sub sidebar menus, sidebar menu items you can change. Okay, you can change the paddings, and yeah, this is height, radius. Those are the options. And the sidebar pro page, you can change the different position. We have different styles you can change. Okay, so that's for the content. And for the settings, we support all these different font you can change. And the font we are using is called Bunny font. Okay, BUNNY font. It's not all of that, but if you find that any font you want to use inside of the bunny font, you can send the support the name of the font. We can add those font in here. Okay, now for the page, you can change the background, you can change the paddings, and for the card, you can change the background border and the card text color. You can also change the radius and the margin to the bottom. And we have the tables. You can change the table border color, header background, header border color, all these different settings. And if there are some customizations we didn't cover yet, we support you to add your own CSS code. Okay, you just need to have a little developer background information, background knowledge. You know how to find the CSS IDs for those elements, and then you can write your own CSS code. You can paste it here, and after you make all the changes, click save, and also click apply. Okay, after you make all these changes, some of those changes you make, it doesn't reflect in this window. Okay, especially the sub menus and all those different pages. So you need to open a new browser, open it in incognito window, log in your own custom domain, refresh the page, and then you can see all the changes you make. Okay, and you just go back and forth until you reach to the UI you want. Okay, that is the settings and what this add-ons is about. Okay, for this kind of options, we will keep adding more options. Okay, we will keep adding more options for these color theme add-ons. And yeah, so if you need to see any control settings, if you want to improve, you can always reach out to our support. And it's possible that we can add those settings, those customizations in this add-on. Okay, so that's the video for today. See you next time.